Hello, good day. I'm Oliver from Token Hobby. Here, that's the 1350-1214 scale crane truck. So now I disassembled the top cover or removed, so we can see the inside details. We will see all these from top side. What we can see inside details, we will check. So let's see. Start from the front, the cabin. Door can open. Speaker inside. And at the bottom have a switch. We press down here, push in, unlock the cabin, can lift up. After that, you will see that's inside the speaker, light connections. Here, that's the servo for steering, only one for the first axle, yeah. So each axle have one servo for steering. So 6 servo for steering. And for each axle have 2 cylinders for raising the axle and lowering the axle by hydraulic. And also on the cylinder inside, the cylinder also have spring for suspension. Front 4 cover is here, can remove directly, secured by magnet. So here we will see inside. That's all the driven ESC connections and the gearbox, 2-speed gearbox. It's CNC alloy shell inside all strong hardened steel gears. Pure sound system, 2 receiver. So receiver number 1, receiver number 2 for model 1. Driven condition, for driven steering, legs out, legs down, all this operation by these 2 receiver and sound and light. Steering, left, rear side different steering, steering mode 1, steering mode 2, all steering same direction, steering mode 3. Front, it's a steering more, rear steering less, same direction, steering mode 4, only rear side steering, steering number 1, so that's mostly used for small circle steering, rear side steering different direction. This box, that's for simulating real car, no special use. This cover already removes screws. Inside, that's the board for steering control. So 3 switch, this one can circulating for changing the middle point for the axle to be straight. Every axle can adjust, also can adjust from radio for the end point for how much turning angle. Here, that's the battery chamber. Can put 3S 5200 mAh battery, XD60 connection, exhaust. And here, power connections, oil distribution block, connection block. That's all for the chassis rising, hydraulic rising, and the legs. 2 section, arms out, legs down, all from here. So you will see 4 channel valve for the chassis. 1 first section arm out, distribution valve 2, second section arm out, 3 legs down, 4 all axle rising and lowering. That's the pump for chassis. Here, that's the UBC board for special power supply to all steering 6 steering axle servos. And here, ladders can pull down. Also left side, lift up, turning, pull down. Here, have 1 cover, pushing down a little from bottom and open. Here, no have connection, can extend for extra power bank, power supply for operating the crane. That's for upgrades, yeah, now no use. Left side already have 1, so enough to use. Oil tank for chassis, around 140 minimum liter after you receive. Bottom chassis oil tank fill up 140 minimum liter. So all this, you see the material, all the chassis steel welding plate, and all the cabin, side cover, top cover, they are CNC alloy. A few covers, these are CNC steel. Side cover is mostly, and cabin is CNC alloy. So 6 axle all steering, second axle and rear axle no power. No power for driving, free turning. 1, 2, 3, 4 with power for driving, or axle CNC alloy shell inside strong steel gears. So here that's the oil tank for upper part for the arm and the counterweight block. So here that's oil tank fill up from here. After receive can fill up around 350 minimum liter. Here that's the auxiliary winch for real machine for pulling, especially the wires too heavy for pulling, and also can secure the crane hook. Move it. Here the wheel blocks for upper part. Here now only have 6. So production one will have 7 wheel block, 2 not used. So 1 and number 7, 2 wheel block will not in use. For upgrades later for the super lifting system left and right, 2 oil channel for control. And here that's separated oil channel and also a magnetic power connection for the winch to winch. So production one 7 distribution valve, 5 now will be in use, 2 will be soon will be upgraded for the super lifting system, and now 5 big cylinder arm, 1 arms out to the inside cylinder, and the cylinder locking pin, 3 hydraulic lifting cabin, 4 and hydraulic lifting counterweight block, 5 channel all used. 2 more channel for super lifting system. Here upper part all side covers CNC alloy. Top small covers they are steel plate. Also for this plate all these parts are steel welding. CNC this counterweight block steel one. Seat also CNC steel one. This magnetic secured wires connection for the future use. Now no have plan. For future use this winch for the top crane tower at the front of arm for pulling the 3-angle crane tower. So now this winch not in use. Later I can show you how they work. And here that's the oil hose, 1 channel for lifting the counterweight block, 2 cylinder. That's the main winch for the arm lifting crane here. So this rope is 130 kg braking power, but the winch is around 6 or 7 kg pulling power. So let's say 6 kg on this rope pulling. So here on the hook have this pulley. So you will calculate have 11 ropes here. So 11 multiply 6 kg, that's 66 kg for pulling up by winch. On the main winch, that's the big pump for the big arm and the counterweight block. Running it. Pressure gauge is running at around 4 MPa. These 2 steel bars are for future connecting super lifting system. So now it's making for the parts. Super lifting system, first sample will come out maybe at the end of May. So at the beginning of June, I will receive for test. But production one still not sure yet. That's the main cylinder for big arm. See the size. So the shell is copper. Steel rod inside have copper piston. And for the main arm, all the arms are forged alloy. So it's flexible and very strong with power. It's more stronger than steel. Side cover from left side can lift up, open, supporting by bar. So inside you will see that's number 3 receiver for Model 2 crane operation. So that's the main electronic board for controlling arms out. So here are all the connections for power. That's the big pump ESC. Here that's the rotation motor and the reducing gearbox, gears for rotation. Inside have big bearings. Here are the 2 ports for filling up grease for the bearings. Inside that's the cylinder for rising, lowering the cabin. Lowering it, check how it's moving. Cabin down, up, and for pull down, lift the supporting bar and pull down. Here, sliding door, sliding to close, sliding to open. Inside have screen. Now it's showing oil temperature and battery voltage. A toolbox here. And ladder. That's the 2 spare oil channel separated to 8 nozzle quick connections for super lifting system. Left and right for power connection for winch. That's the ropes for simulating real car. No special use, only simulating. And it's strong and flexible, pulling by these 2 rollers. Self-turning when the arms out and restore back, they will turn together to take back the ropes. That winch and pulling wires is for future upgrades, but now still no plan yet. So front, a tower crane for pulling it. So that one, let's see. This rope with a knot take out from this securing. So now we can pulling it, can lift up. The ropes will release. That's the winch pulling it, turning. So this one rope must be always tight. Otherwise, the rope in the pulley will coming out. Yeah. So release the wire. After release, this one for the future crane tower, this one will fly out. Release it. Okay. Slowly, not mess up with the rope. So like this. This one will be flying in the air in the middle. So later, this ropes, other side will connect a rope. From this side, it's moving in the air and connecting to the tower crane. To pulling back, release, to tilting it. Now I will secure it back, because if the wires coming out from the pulley, you have to running through it quite a little bit, need skills. This rope with knot put inside, lock it, and keep tight it. Okay, in position. Oh, sorry, it's pulling. Pressing on this one, push it down. In position, stop. That's a power bank, yeah. So actually, originally it's only a box, so we put inside a 15,000 mAh battery 3S connection, make a wire connection, directly power it on for longer time crane operation. So this battery disconnect, power off. Only here, power supply. So for this crane truck with all these details and the strongest chassis, the top quality crane hydraulic operation, so that's the top quality in the world you can find. Thank you for watching. I will make more videos for playing it, and later I will do the limited test. So fast running, lifting heavy stuffs like lifting other models we can try, yeah? So see you again, bye.